Oh, an Astrid Fizz. Let me tell you a story. My uncle, after that volcanic eruption, donated to us a lot of funding for the store in Sunflower Street. And my dad was really getting greedy for those screwdrivers. Really greedy. Although he only needed 1 or 2 for the boat repair shop, but he kept collecting them. So many of them that he could swim in them. But I wasn't any better than this. I saw a blue screwdriver by the plum ice cream house. And then I stole it for my dad. Although it wasn't for me, it was for my dad.
That's just greed. He does not need that many screwdrivers. And not even a screwdriver that is somebody else's. I don't know what he's thinking even. Why does he want so many when he doesn't need them? I know! Let's confront him and say that he does not need this many screwdrivers. That's just ridiculous. Good idea!
Why are you in here?
You don't need that many screwdrivers! And the entire city needs them! But